In this video, I'll be taking you guys with me as we spend the weekend together.
Nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the linings on your cheeks.
Welcome to Eyes
Cause
Lately.
baby, in your absence, life is boring. So I'll never leave.
Hello everyone! So long time no vlog. I already did my skincare kanina pa. And I'll just reapply my sunscreen. This sunscreen is my new favorite. It's from Fairy Skin. I just saw it sa TikTok. Nakapag-apply na ako kanina, but since we are going somewhere, I'll apply some. And Amara is here pala. So, I have one outfit. Here, isang polo, my film camera, my sunscreen, my tripod, and some necessities. And this will be the bag I'll be using. It's just a string bag. So, yeah. And since magsiswimming din daw kami, I just took one extra shirt. So, yeah. Let's all pack it. Uy, aesthetic. Uy. This is our adventure in a nutshell. And it's rainy. Oh my gosh. If you guys could see the clouds. Wrong. Hi po mga Lenny. Mga Mama Lenny supporters. Dahil kulay rosas ang kulay ng bukas. Yes, behavior guys. So, na wrong way kami. Hindi dapat dyan. But, doon dapat. I don't know guys if you guys can hear me. Let's say hi to the aesthetic boy and the aesthetic girl. Yeah. Actually guys, this place is yung place na pinakita ko nung nag-meet kami with my high school friends. So this is what I'm telling you. But during that time, I wasn't able to show kung ano yung itsura niya here sa baba. And this is what it looks like. Again, it's giving me Baguio vibes. Camp John Hay. Camp John Hay yarn. Yes, this is Camp John Hay Abra version. And this is a Camp Rooney. So yeah, I do not know what you guys will call this. Pero parang siyang camp or like villa. And madami siyang pine trees, of course. There. See. And what I love about this place is that it's so peaceful. Like as in, it's only my third time coming here. Look at those! They have kayak and hut, nipa hut. There. Oh, see? And yung mga hut over there. Hello.
2 joints.
2 joints. See, this is what I'm telling you guys, and that's the place. They have some ATV or KTV? ATV, and there are a lot of people out there playing volleyball and all. So yeah. And we are now in our destination. Look at that. Is that a lake? Is that a river? What do you call that? See, swimming area. I think it's okay to go down. And look guys, our stuff's in a nutshell. This is my bag and those are our baon since it's an unexpected trip lang. We only have soft drinks, chips, and we haven't eaten lunch yet. And there's my baby. It's kinda drizzling though. Go baby!
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool it blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough.
So hot though. Bye! Bye-bye!
Dreaming about the future.
Ayaw mo yung friendship.
Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Like, if you guys are interested or team building, like, see? Parang may mga course sila here. And then there, that one, oh. Meldel! And this. Wee. Meldel! Ni J-Lo. Mabaliktad.
Mom!
Agbatong na.
Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. Hey, I'm sorry. Do you think we're old enough?
We'll be going to the other side. And I have my film cam with me. So yeah. I just bought my sunglasses sa Shopee. And doon na pala yung polo ko. Because I'll take some pictures. And there, meron nagkakayak over there. There, oh, you guys can see it. And then here. And we're on the other side. And meron silang golf something, what do you call that? Golf cart ba yun? There, oh. And there. So guys, that's what I'm telling you. It's super therapeutic. Like, It's kinda drizzling nga lang. Guys, there are the nipa huts. I don't know if that's what you call it, diba? But yeah, sana yon nga. See, if you really appreciate nature, guys, come visit Abra na. Like, you're literally missing a lot of things. Haha. Ooh. They have kayaks over there. You're at the lake. Lake pala siya, hindi river. So we are done taking photos and naging hubadera ng taon na ako. Sayang, gusto kong mag-kayak kaso it's like 100 per 30 minutes. So, maybe we'll try it later pag-usapan namin ni J-Lo or Melville. Mag-kayak ta. So nice! I don't know how many times I've said so nice already. We're going to swim na. Magsiswimming ka ba?
Nagpasag picture niya.
So nice! I said so nice again. Parang 2 shots remaining na lang ang aking film cam. Oh my gosh. Guys, I don't know if I told you na, pero I, cut my bangs. Ngayon mukha na akong Park Sojon. Char.
Park Sojon sa bug.
Park Sojon Philippine adaptation. I forgot to tell you guys, but we rented a cottage or a kubo pala. Pero they have complete materials naman like that. Pwedeng magluto. And they have a table. And there's my baby.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks.
Basta na dati. Ako nga maanusan. Alamin, baby. Nagdamis! Oh my God! Naglamis! Ano ito? Guys, the water is so cold. Like, hello guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo sa lake. As you guys can see sa aking hair. And we're now packing kasi uuwi na din kami. Sayang, maganda sana if we'll rent a villa to stay. na overnight. Kaso, may mga work po sila tomorrow because tomorrow is Monday. And yeah, it was so nice. It's a nice experience. Basically, nagstay lang kami here for the weekend, for the Sunday, half day. That's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Bye-bye, everyone. See you again next week.
So
Or
I'll
next
never
time.
leave. It's easier to